years of silence. I was unaware, distracted, weak, but the time turned pain into power, lessons into weapons. This isn't a restart. This is a return, not as who I was, but who I was meant to be. Three strikes hit me, but I am still standing, still creative, still dangerous. I don't chase for views, I build empires. No shortcuts, no more noise. Just focus, just work. They thought I quit YouTube. Nah, I was watching, upgrading my memory, overclocking my brain. I am Vamsi, your tech guy. Let's do some freaking romance with the technology. You can ask me about gaming, editing, anything else about technology. I am ready to help you out because this is the place where we don't just use the technology, we conquer it. Meet you soon.